the rhythm of the ancient skies. To stand in a marsh at dawn is to witness a stillness of time. Coexisting with the world's most ancient avian lineages, the air belongs to the Sandhill Cranes. They do not merely sing, they unleash an ancient, sacred anthem. Coiled deep within their sternums lies a long trachea that loops within the bone like a horn, a biological resonator that transforms simple breath into a grand acoustic phenomenon. To listen to them is to hear the Earth's oldest poetry, a multi-layered masterpiece told through 7 distinct movements of sound. 1. The Rattling Bugle is a rolling, resonant caroo that vibrates through the soul of the wetlands. Amplified by their coiled anatomy, this call is the crane's standard-bearer. A majestic announcement of presence that stitches the earth to the sky and commands the horizon for miles. Two, the unison call, a choreographed soul bond. When 2 spirits become one, they perform the unison call, a vow of lifelong devotion. This is no mere coincidence of sound, but a flawlessly synchronized duet, where the male's higher, piercing trumpet notes are answered by the female's lower-pitched, rapid staccato reply. For every cry he makes, she answers twice in perfect harmony. Together, they tilt their beaks to the heavens, weaving an acoustic tapestry of loyalty that anchors their shared destiny. Three, the Purr, the whisper of the wild. In the quiet, hidden intimacy of the grasses, the crane sheds its thunder for the purr. This gentle breat call is a low-frequency vibration, a silver thread of sound used to tether a family together. It is the language of safety, a soft acoustic embrace that guides their vulnerable chicks through the tall grasses. 4. The goose-like honk, the great social hum. These sharp signals are the coordinating beats of a bustling staging ground, alerting neighbors before takeoff. Amidst the golden chaos of the flock, abrupt short notes emerge to signal movement. It is the sound of synchronized collective action, a lively concert of shared purpose and collective wisdom. Five, the hiss, a serpentine warning. When shadows lengthen and predators draw near, the crane's elegance sharpens into a hiss. Gone is the musicality, replaced by a cold, reptilian warning that commands absolute respect. Wings spread wide and beak pointed like a javelin. The bird draws a primal line in the dust, transforming from a creature of grace into a fierce guardian. Six, the night purr, the acoustic heartbeat. As twilight settles, a low-frequency vibration ripples through the huddle. This rhythmic humming note is the sound of sentinels on watch, an atmospheric lullaby that signals continuous vigilance. It is the breath of the marsh itself, a deep, resonant sigh that reassures every bird that guardians are awake and they are safe. Seven, juvenile peeps, the trill of the new. Long before they find their thunder, the young colts speak in delicate peeps. These high-pitched, melodic trills are the urgent music of youth, a constant stream of curiosity, hunger, and need. It is a fragile, silver sound that stands in beautiful, fleeting contrast to the ancient, rattling power they will one day inherit. As darkness swallows the wetlands, the uproar slowly dissolves into the quiet fabric of the night. The concert of the Sandhill Crane is more than a collection of wild notes. It is the enduring heartbeat of our planet's remaining wild spaces. When the last echo of their rattling chorus fades into the dusk, it leaves behind an empty silence, an evocative reminder that to preserve their voice is to preserve the very soul of the wilderness.